The Philippine National Police Highway Patrol Group has recovered 2 abandoned vehicles allegedly linked to the illicit operation. According to the PNP Public Information Chief Police Colonel Jean Fajardo, the vehicles, a black Land Cruiser and a white Explorer, were discovered in San Luis, Pampanga, specifically in the parking areas of Santa Lucia Cemetery and the San Luis Cockpit area. Colonel Fajardo revealed that the CCTV footage identified these 2 vehicles alongside the van intercepted at checkpoint in Alitagtag, Batangas, laden with massive haul of shabu.
Nung na-recovered po itong mga abandon na sasakyan diyan po sa area po ng San Luis ay iba na po yung plaka na nakakabit po dito. Subalit nung in-inspect nga po ito at pinaka-assess po ay nakita po yung mga plaka po ng 2 sasakyan na nakita po doon sa mga CCTV footages sa Batangas, nandun po sa loob ng mga sasakyan, confirming na itong mga sasakyan po na ito ay yung mga sasakyan po na subject po ng ating investigation.
The recovered vehicles are now in the custody of the Highway Patrol Group Calabarzon for further investigation.